Hi, thanks for watching. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to use Core's robust analytic tools to design on-the-fly analytics that allow you to drill down into your sales data in real time. An analytic has two components, a graphical representation of the data, such as a pie chart or bar chart, and a pivot grid. These two components are connected, so when you expand a row or column in the pivot grid, the graph will drill down to show only the data from your selection for a more detailed view. The analytics settings allow you to change the style of your visual. There are many different graph styles to choose from, including bar graphs, line graphs, area graphs, and many more. Here you can also manage the configuration options for the pivot grid, like column and row totals, as well as the format for the data populating the grid. While the analytics settings allow you to change the visuals of your analytic, the field chooser allows you to edit what data populates your analytic. You can change the level of grouping in your pivot grid by adding or removing fields from the row fields and column fields section in the field chooser. After doing so, you'll see your analytic refresh to reflect your changes in real time. You can also add fields to the filter fields section in order to focus your analytic on a specific metric. For example, filtering the source type to payment and filtering this field to new sales commission limit the contents of this analytic to output from a single rule. Edits to your analytic can be temporary, or you can save your changes for easy access in the future. You can add a new analytic at any time by selecting the plus button next to the analytic dropdown. To export the pivot grid for your analytic, simply select the Export to Excel file button next to the field chooser. For questions about analytics or any of Core's reporting tools, contact us using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.